Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a program to demonstrate function with no arguments and return value in C. Let us write the preprocessor directives. Hash include in angular brace we'll write standard input output .h header file. The second preprocessor directive is hash include in angular brace I'll write conio.h. Next, here I'm going to write void main function curly open brace, and now I'm going to declare a function that is called function prototype. As the program said that function with no arguments and return value. So here I'm going to write return value integer type, and sum is name of the function, and function with no arguments means I'm going to write empty parenthesis and put semicolon. So this is called function prototype. So function prototype creates the interface for the compiler that tells this particular function definition is present. You have to search for this particular function definition. Next, we'll write CLR SCR function, which is used to clear the screen. Now we are going to write the printf statement wherein we are going to print sum is equal to %d end the double quotation mark, and we are going to call this particular function in a printf statement. So this is sum and put semicolon. Here I'm going to write get ch function closing brace. Now it's time to define this particular function. So here you can see int sum. I'm going to write int return type sum is a name of the function, round empty braces curly open brace, and here I'm going to declare two local variables. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and put semicolon. Now I'm going to write return statement, return a plus b. So it is going to perform 10 plus 5 and it is going to return value 15 to the calling function. Now I'm going to write curly closing brace. So once we compile and run this program, so it is directly comes to int sum, and it is going to call the function, and it is going to perform a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5, and it is going to perform a plus b, and it is going to return value back to the calling function. So it is going to print sum is equal to this %d format specifier is associated with the function called sum. So function call is returning value 15 after performing addition of 10 plus 5. So sum is equal to 15 will be printed. So let us run this program. For that, I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ integrated development environment. To save your time, let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success, that indicates there is no syntax error. Press enter. Now let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is showing sum is equal to 15. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.